Hello, my name is Teacher Dan from ESL Teacherama, where we give you hints, advice, and useful information to help you with your online ESL journey. In this video, we're going to be applying for iTutorgroup, one of the biggest ESL companies out there. Why iTutorgroup? Well, I've been working with iTutorgroup since December 2020. They were the company that I decided to start my journey with for a few reasons. Like I said, they're one of the biggest. They accept people who live in the UK and Europe and South Africa and Australia and other countries where a lot of other companies at the time, like VIP Kid and GoGo Kid, you have to be working and living in the US or Canada. Secondly, they pay you in your currency. I get paid in pounds, so I don't have to worry about any transaction fees. And also what's good with iTutorgroup is they have a large library of instructional videos to help you along your way and improve your teaching. They also have experienced teachers doing live webinars as well, which is always good. And when I started, I wanted to do one-on-one teaching, which iTutorgroup do. And they also provide the materials, which is really good when you are just starting out. How do you apply for iTutorgroup? Well, it's very simple. Just click on the link down below or in one of the other videos, and I will give you a step-by-step guide. Let's go. Okay, let's apply for iTutorgroup. So let's click on the referral link, go to site, and you may have noticed I've still got the same camera, but I did say that it's clearer when it's in the smaller box. So here's the iTutorgroup recruitment page. We've got an intro video of what they do, and here are the teaching requirements. So you need to be an English speaker at an idiomatic level, so you don't have to be a native speaker, just someone with a very high level of English. Now, for iTutorgroup and most, if not all, Chinese online companies, you will need a bachelor's degree at least. There are other companies around the world where you won't, but for any Chinese online teaching company, you will need a bachelor's degree. For any online teaching company to teach English, you will need a Tefl Certificate. Even if you do have a PGCE or another teaching qualification, you will still need a Tefl certificate. Now, where it says recognised teaching experience, this could be anything. You can have actual teaching experience, or after-school programs, or private tutoring, or even helping your kids or nieces or nephews with their homework can be classed as a form of tutoring. They never really go into details, and they won't be double-checking. So, with a commitment of 6 peak hours per week, so this is going by Beijing time, you need 4 hours during the week and 2 at weekends. The peak hours Monday to Friday are 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. at Beijing time, so check your own time zones to see where they fall. And on Saturday and Sunday, it's all morning and all afternoon till the evening. So actually any time on a Saturday or Sunday, you'll probably get a booking. The type of students with kids is 5 to 18, though I have taught as young as 3 because parents do lie on their applications. And adults 18 plus, and my oldest student was actually 75. Lovely, lovely man. And here are the teachers with their own blurbs about how amazing iTutorgroup is. Lyneth, she's the one who did my interview. Okay, so when you're ready, you click sign up. You've got to log in or sign up to an account, and then you get your application profile. And here's one I made earlier. So I've got my name, gender, date of birth. It's not my actual date of birth, but I can pass for 25. Okay, it says where I live, phone number, it's not my actual phone number, highest level of education. Now I have a bachelor's degree. It doesn't have to be in English or in teaching, it could be in anything. Mine's in drama and film studies. You don't have to have an English degree as long as it's a bachelor's degree, whatever it's in. I've had 2 years experience teaching, outside experience of teaching. I've got performing arts and media. I've also had catering, customer service, call centre, stuff like that. And they do offer bilingual courses. I'm not so sure about that. I don't speak Chinese. They don't expect you to speak Chinese well. You don't have to speak Chinese. Got Tefl and TESOL. So my Tefl certificate is both. It says on there Tefl/TESOL. Referral code. Don't forget the referral code because it helps me, which helps the channel, which then helps you. And then where do you hear from us? Social media, because I've got it from the YouTube channel. And once you click submit, you have passed part 1. Way, congratulations. So in this part it will tell you what you could earn. It's not base pay, because there are additional bonuses such as lesson completion. Once you've done a certain amount of lessons per month, you get a little bit extra. If you don't know your time zone or can calculate it different, don't worry. Click here, choose your time zone, and then it will do it for you. For me, it's 11:30 till about 2 o'clock, but I do teach outside those hours as well and still get bookings. Saturday, Sunday, like I said, any hour. So if you want to teach adults, they will be at the more earlier times of the morning before they go to work, and then in the later times after they've come back from work. Okay, if you're ready and you want to get interviewed straight away, you can click on attend automated interviews. As long as you've got your camera, mic, headset working, well-lit environment, good backdrop. You don't need to have something like this. It can just be a plain white background. It is just the interview. But I didn't do an automated interview. I did a one-on-one interview with someone. So let's click on that. You can book it in if you want a bit more time to get prepared. I mean, the automated one you can do whenever. So here you can do it in the morning, dawn, morning, afternoon, evening, all the way up before midnight on any day you want. And just click on an available time, submit, boom, boom. Here is your interview all booked. You can see my interviewer is going to be Rob. I've got to interview my time. You do have a countdown timer here as well. It says the red button will turn red 10 minutes prior to the interview. I would enter it as soon as possible because that way you can practice. And as my old acting teacher said, if you can't be on time, be early. So you get to choose the mock session materials. So it'd be sit down, stand up, mum, dad, or talking about cell or mobile phones. So the next video will be going into more detail about the interview process and giving you tips on that. And you will need Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or if you use Edge, won't work. It has to be Chrome, and you can always change to an automated one if you prefer. Change the time or cancel, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, so good luck. And there you go. How to apply for iTutorgroup. I really hope you found this informative. If you have any other questions, please put them in the comments. I will reply to them. Now, are iTutorgroup a perfect company? No. Have I had problems with them? Yes, but I still think they are a good company to work for overall, and especially for starting teachers. But don't worry, I will be doing a pros and cons list about them as well. Next video will be about the interview process and how to prepare for it. So don't miss out. Thank you very, very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like. If you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe and stay notified, because I do release a new video every week. Good luck with your application process, and until next time, happy teaching!